I'm sorry, Mama. What's going on, guys? It's your boy Najilla. If you're wondering why I'm whispering today, it's because my daughter's still asleep and I'm gonna wake her up for her birthday. She is 3 today. I love you so much, baby. I'm sorry, but we'll take you out to eat later so you can have some fun to your favorite spot. And I got an air horn. We're gonna wake her up right now. Alright, guys, so follow me. Let's get her reaction. There goes her balloon. Got her because she is 3. And as you can see, hey, she's always repping Steelers too. She's wide asleep. Ooh. Let's post up, let's post up. I'm sorry, Mama. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mama. Look, you're 3. I'm so sorry. You okay? Give me a hug. It's your birthday. Come on, give me a hug. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Give me a kiss. Give me a kiss. I love you. Happy birthday, Mama. You're 3. You're 3. Say hi to the people. Say hi. Say hi, Mama. You don't want to say hi? It's okay. It's okay. I'm so sorry. Happy birthday. I love you. You're 3 now, Mama. I love you, okay? Where do you want to go today for your birthday? Where do you want to go? Where do you want to go? Let me know where you want to go first. Eh?
Your birthday.
You want to go for your birthday? Where? The Chuck E. Cheese? Yeah? Alright, give me a kiss. Happy birthday. I love you, Mama, okay? I love you.
I love you.
I'm sorry for waking you up. But say hi to the camera. You're on camera. Say hi. No? Alright, guys, check it out. We'll leave you guys a little later. We're gonna watch the Steeler game. And then from there we're gonna get ready and go to Chuck E. Cheese. Well, guys, we have decided, me and my daughters, and she got scared. We decided we're gonna go wake up the other small ones too. See what they up to. Let's go. You ready? Let's go. Leave the balloon here, Mama. Leave it there, leave it there. It's gonna go up, leave it there. Come on. Good morning.
Whoa. It's time for my birthday. I can't hear one of this ear.
Good morning.
Where are you going so mean?
Y'all don't want to wake up? That was a weird one. Good morning, baby.
Can't hear this one.
Oh my goodness. Good morning.
It smells bad in here now.
Okay, can I get a kiss?
No.
Good morning.
You can get a kick.
Oh. Y'all ready for the Steelers game later?
No, I'm ready to go to sleep.
Oh yeah? I'll wake you guys up in about an hour and a half. So we're gonna watch the game, alright?
Happy birthday, I got balloon. I know.
I scared her. She woke up crying.
Look, it's what that.
She woke up crying.
Go. You get it.
You woke up crying, huh?
Yes.
I bought it at the store. Alright guys, so I'll let you guys go back to sleep, okay?
And then I got. Look. Look at that.
I'm so mean. But hey, it's all for y'all. Alright? Notch Gang, we out.